Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Put it down in the comments. Let me know. I want to know. Okay, so Jessica here, if you don't know. And of course, thanks for stopping by to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my videos. What am I doing today? It's another unboxing, but it's a little different. This is the box from Fashionsta, but this is the men's box. Now, I do get this for my son, and there are several products each month that my husband actually scoops up. So it works out really good because most of the products, either way, end up being used. Now, this subscription is $29.99 a month, but you get a really great value every month. And again, my son's 16, and if he likes it, you know it's gonna be half decent. And I have been getting this for my son since they launched it over a year ago, and again, it's really great. So here is the card that comes in the June 2021 box. And it says, the box for men. You have better things to do. Let us choose your products for you. There is like a huge storm that's just coming through. But that's how it is here in Alabama. They come out of nowhere. So if you hear thunder in the background, or even the rain, because y'all, it's like pouring. Anyway, let's dive into this box. Now, at the end of the video, I will have the total value of the entire box. In addition to that, I will also include the percentage of savings that you get by purchasing this box in lieu of purchasing these items in retail. So, yes. Okay, the first thing is this box here. And inside the box is this. So this is what it looks like up close. And, okay, it's plastic. I'm like, is that real wood? So you unscrew it, and look, it's a lip balm. And these are refillable. This was the first, my son peeked into this box, and he immediately dove for this. Like, we're like lip balm addicts. Trust me. And to refill it, you put the cap back on, but you keep it loose, but not so loose that it comes off. And then you push this button underneath here. And then flip it over, and it comes out. And you just basically refill it whenever you want with a new lip balm. Woo! Dropped it. And there we go. So that's super cool. It's from Pogo, and they included a card so you know where to get more refills. And there's full instructions on the back how to refill it. So that's always nice. And a lot of times Fashionsta will actually have products like this on their website if you go under shop. And they've also got a new rewards program. So yeah, check them out. So, the Black Volcanic Refillable Lip Balm from Pogo. It retails for $14. And it's a 100% natural, organic, and cruelty-free lip balm made from recyclable and ocean-bound plastic, which is plastic harvested from coastal landfills before it enters our oceans. Okay, next up is this thing right here. Okay, the name of the company is Poor People. this is what it looks like. And it is a face, hand, and beard lotion, which obviously my son doesn't have a beard, but it's still for your face and hands, so that works. Otherwise, we'll give it to my hubby. This retails for $35. It's a non-greasy acne bacteria-killing formula that dries matte. Contains powerful fatty acids to deeply nourish skin, new skin cells for a clear and youthful glow. Clear and youthful skin. Okay. Next, we've got, okay, it's from Pop Mask. It's actually a sleep mask, but it's self-warming, so that's got to be really relaxing, huh? Lavender scented. And it's reusable and can be rewarmed up to 30 times. That's pretty cool. I think I might steal this. Pop Mask Jet Setter Self-Warming Eye Mask. It retails for $5. That's really reasonable. The mask itself is made from non-woven cotton. Each heat cell contains iron powder, vermiculite, activated carbon, salt, and water. All naturally occurring ingredients. The mask contains jasmine essence for a soothing scent. Next up is this. And this is from Dauntless. Yep. And it's a matte hair paste. It gives hair volume and texture. This retails for $19. This features a solid medium hold and, of course, a matte finish. It contains both bentonite and kaolin clays for that good matte finish and textured look. Features the signature fragrance, Fearless, which is a smooth cologne type scent. Oh, that's really cool. Let's smell it. Oh, yeah. That does smell good. Ooh, sexy. Okay, there's still a couple more things. All right, so here's something else from Poor People. This is the Prime Face, Hand, and Beard Lotion. Okay, oops. This one I showed you before is actually a wash, not a lotion. So this is a face beard cleanser. Oh, it's also a makeup remover. Okay. And it retails for $25. Now, this one is the lotion, which retails for $35. And that's the one I read before, non-greasy acne bacteria killing lotion and all that good stuff. Now, last but not least, and this actually looks really cool, and it's from Keiko. And this is, whoops, what it looks like. And it is a leather passport holder. Yeah, isn't that cool? Okay, this is like attached. I can't find my scissors. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And you've got like little pockets right here for IDs or credit cards or whatever. And then back here goes your passport. And then the other side is just regular leather. Oh, it smells like leather. I love the smell of leather. I don't know why. Did I tell you it retails for $35? I didn't remember now. Okay, this is a handcrafted leather passport holder and 100% wool felt for a sleek design. So it's leather and wool. The passport holder features 2 versatile card slots on the front that allows you to travel in style. So, okay, that's everything. Not bad. What's the total value of this box? It's $133. Yeah, not bad for a box under 30. And then to top it off, the total savings is 77% off of retail. So yeah, that's actually really good. We do really like this subscription, and my son has gotten so many different things in the past. I mean, he's gotten everything from like a really, really nice, stylish, like a tweed baseball cap. It's so cool. He's gotten knives that he can use for camping. He's gotten sunglasses. He's gotten, oh gosh, so many different things. In addition to like lip balms, skincare, like the body wash he uses right now, he got probably a year ago, and that's all he'll use. Yeah, he loved it, so I bought him more. So, yeah. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. And I do have a link down below if this is something you want to scoop up for yourself or that special guy in your life. Definitely. Well, that's it. That was the June 2021 The Box by Fashionsta unboxing. Thanks as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And before you go, if you would smash that subscribe button, it does help my channel out so much. It really does. And I am trying to get to a 5K so I can run my big 5K giveaway. Yay! With 5 winners. And I actually did an unboxing the other day of a bunch of Boxycharm add-ons that I got specifically for this upcoming giveaway. I will link that up here. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you guys bunches. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.